Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Evony game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the 3 horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then go to Settings option. Now scroll down your screen and here you can see the update option in the last row. Tap on it. Now, if the game requires an update, the update button would have popped up here and the game would have been updated, but as it is the latest version, tap on the confirm button. And that is how you can update Evony game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.